Assalamualaikum, good morning. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Miss Aisha Riaz and I am your computer teacher. Before I go ahead, I would love to pay my humble compliment to you all students. Wish you a happy Eid Mubarak to you all. So now let's come to the topic. Today we are going to discuss the mind map of computer. In this mind map we are going to discuss what is computer, parts of computer, basic operations of computer, this all, and the hardware and software of a computer. In software we are going to discuss the types of software, application software and system software. So now let's begin. First is what is computer. Computer is an electronic device which is capable to store, retrieving and process data into meaningful information. Means के कंप्यूटर जो है वो हम यूज़ करते हैं प्रोसेस करने के लिए, रिट्राइव करने के लिए अपने डेटा को. We can perform all calculation work through a computer. Basically we can say computer is a calculating device or electronic device. Next is parts of computer. There are four main parts of computer: monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. First one is monitor. Monitor is output device. We can see our output on a monitor display. On previous we use a cathode ray tube monitor, CRT monitor, but nowadays we use a flat screen monitor and these are LCD and LED monitors. CPU is the brain of a computer. We can perform all the instructions on a CPU. CPU store all the data, information and programs, and we perform all the instructions through a CPU. Mouse. We give the instructions to a CPU through a mouse. On some mouse there are 2 buttons, or on some mouse there are 3 buttons, left button and right button and a scroll button between them. Scroll button is used for the scrolling the screen up and down the screen. And the left button is used to open the file, folder and program, and the right button is used to get the option to cut, copy, edit or delete the file. Keyboard is an input device. We give the input through a keyboard to a CPU. There are total 104 keys on a keyboard. Function keys are F1 to F12. These are function keys. The button from 0 to 9, these are numeric keys. The buttons from A to Z, these are alphabetic keys. Navigation keys there are 4 keys, up, down, left and right. So these are navigation keys. And the control keys are window button, control button and enter button. These are control keys. So these all are the parts of a computer. Basic operations of computer. Basic operations of computer are input, process and output. First we give the input to a computer through our input devices, keyboard and mouse. Through our keyboard and mouse we give the input, we give the instruction to a CPU. CPU get the input and it start to working on it. So this step is called the process. CPU start to working on a input. This is the process step, and then when it completed the working, it completed the process, so it give the output and we can see our output on a monitor screen. Input is enter data, we give the instruction, we give the input through our input devices to a CPU. Process manipulate data. CPU take the instruction and start to working on it, start to process, start to manipulate data, and output produce information. The information which we get after the processing, so we can see our information, our output to a monitor screen. So these all are the basic operations which perform through the parts of a computer. Next is hardware and software of a computer. Hardware are physical parts of a computer, or we can say physical equipment of a computer. Physical parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. These all are the physical equipment of a computer. Software. Software, a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. सॉफ्टवेयर बेसिकली एक सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस होता है जो कि हमारे कंप्यूटर को बोलता है कि हमें अब करना क्या है. कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो दी जाती है वो सारी हम सॉफ्टवेयर पे वर्किंग करते हैं. दिस ऑल आर द फिजिकल इक्विपमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर. CPU, माउस, मॉनिटर, ये सब जो है वो हमारे हार्डवेयर है और इनके अंदर जो सारी वर्किंग हो रही है सॉफ्टवेयर में वो सब हमारे क्या कहलाते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर. There are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software programs that perform specific tasks. Application software are not installed on our computer. We install application software according to our need, like MS Word, games. According to our need, we install the application software. System software are ready-made software which are these software are automatically installed on our computer, like My Computer, Control Panel, Notepad. These all are the ready-made software, set of software that allow the hardware and application programs to work. ये पहले से हमारे पास मौजूद होते हैं जो कि हमें बता रहे होते हैं कि हमें कौन सा वर्क करना है. System software, ready-made software and application software will install according to our needs. So I hope you all understand. These all are the mind map of a computer. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask on a Google Classroom comment and mark your attendance on a Google Classroom comment section. We will meet in a next video, next session. So till Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.